Hi viewers, welcome to SS Academy channel. Today I am going to talk about class 10th board exam tips to attempt question paper. Following are some points you must take care when attempting 10th board paper. First, read the question paper well. The first thing to do, read your paper well when writing the answers. You first need to understand what is being asked and how much marks it contains. The answer should be written accordingly, logically and comprehensively. Second thing, use the first 15 minutes valuable. You get a good 15 minutes in the beginning to read the question paper. Use this time to do just that read. Read all the 30 questions in 15 minutes. While reading, mark the questions into category wise easy, manageable and tough. This is done to have an overall idea about the questions and make a rough plan. The next one is the don't worry about the tough ones. The moment you find that are a few tough questions, it is natural that you start worrying about them. This is not required and will only harm your performance. So be happy about the easy ones and don't get unduly worried about the tough slots. Next, how to smart choose the answers. Okay, always attempt the easy questions first and then move on to the manageable ones and ensure that you complete them before taking on the difficult ones. This will ensure that you are not leaving any questions that you know. Once you successfully attempt all the easy and manageable questions, your confidence will grow and you will be mentally ready to take on the more challenging questions. Okay, then next is the use easy language. While writing your answers, make sure that you use easy to understand language. An examiner will rather be impressed by a conceptual answer written in simple language than with one without any conceptual language but written in flowery language. The next one is the be neat and clean. Write your answers in a clean and legible handwriting. Not everyone has a beautiful handwriting, but anyone can write answers with proper space and punctuations and in a legible handwriting. Remember that if your answer sheet is not clean and handwriting illegible, it will be unfavorable to you. Use margin wherever necessary. The next thing is ensure speed and accuracy. Use quicker methods in calculations to ensure that you are not wasting time and your answers are correct. Okay, always follow the tricks we discussed in speed strategies. Next, select your options wisely. In certain questions, you will be provided multiple choices. Don't hurry and make your choice smartly. Read questions carefully. Before you begin writing answer, read questions carefully. See what is being asked in the question. Next, follow word count. For questions, especially in language and literature papers, where word count for the answer is provided. Stick to word count. Don't over exceed the word limit also. Don't be a misset and wrap up your answer in very less word count. Okay. Then next one is the avoid thinking too much about questions. Okay. Thinking about the questions before you attempt them is essential, but not to such an extent that you waste a lot of time on one question. Also, you need not write a very lengthy answer to a question just because the question is easy and you know it very well. Remember, you need to just answer the question and nothing more. Any over attempt will be a waste of time. Then next one is the revise your answers. Usually, the question papers are set in such a way that even after attempting all the questions, students should be left with 5-10 minutes in the end to revise their answers. Don't waste your time and revise all your answers. Okay, let us discuss some tricks. Fix a timetable and follow it strictly. Fix your daily target. Solve previous year's question papers. Make short notes and concept maps. Don't run for different books or notes. Have positive attitude and remember always you can do it. Good luck, all the best.